Beautiful. Bit of a scratch. I gave you so many walnuts. Did you hide them all? So cute. You have fruit on the table. You have watermelon. Go and eat it. Yes. Yeah, you find another one. Where is that? Did you find a piece of walnut? Yeah, hide it there, darling. Hide all your nuts. Where are you? Here you go. You have more on the table, you have. Yes, you got more on the table. You need just to jump. Like you did for the walnut. So cute. Yeah, hello, my lovely. You hide some there? I don't know where you put them. Only you know, darling. So adorable. I hope we ever move in this flat after I leave. Looks after you. And leave you water and food. And let you hide your nuts in their pots. Yes, I hope so too. I'll leave behind lots of pots because I'm moving to a block. And you, whatever you have in the pots, you'll get them later. Wherever you keep hiding your nut there, because I won't take the flowers with me in a block of flats. I can't. No space. But you fill them with nuts, my darling. I'll give you later. Where are you? This is where you are. There. There, keep looking for. Keep hiding, baby. Keep hiding. Keep hiding your nuts. And that's water there if you search. That's the one, that's water. Hide them there. So adorable you are. Hello. Hello. I can see you. I can see you. Beautiful.